stand before a compound where concrete beats in rhythm with surfing. 4 independent bungalows, asymmetrically arranged on the site, their forms respecting trees, controlled views, and volumes that offer both privacy and freedom. We arrive in La Saladita, Guerrero, Mexico. Sand, sea breeze, the sound of waves nearby, coastal vegetation, typical secondary streets, there is a light sense of community but also of retreat. Macu House spans a total area of 811 square meters. Macu means me and those who are with me. 4 concrete refuges designed for rest, leisure, hosting, cooking, remote work, and outdoor living with privacy. They can be occupied separately or together, comfortably accommodating from 1 to 12 people. Double-height living rooms open onto views of a lush mango tree. The facades change from one volume to another to respond to sunlight and privacy. Each has a covered dining area that blurs the boundary between interior and landscape. The gardens of each block are isolated for individual use or can be integrated through a system of movable partitions, creating shared spaces when desired. Materials include exposed concrete, typically worked in formwork, finishes that reveal the natural texture of concrete, wood for panels and decks, wooden louvers and overhangs to control sunlight, natural ventilation, and strategies to reduce air conditioning use. A generous, shaded corridor connects the 4 bungalows, with a common service block that includes a laundry room, outdoor showers, surfboard racks, and a shared bathroom. The corridors flanking the bungalows offer glimpses of vegetation, a sense of shelter and freedom at the same time. The sound of the sea is ever present, a breeze drifting in, footsteps across decks or concrete floors, the scent of wood, the rough touch of concrete, heat softened by shade, all composing the atmosphere of a coastal retreat. Macu House shows that architecture can be both robust and serene, functional and beautiful, combining surfing, nature, honest materials, and comfort with a striking presence.